Good day, everyone. If your Windows 11 PC is starting up slowly, here are a couple of effective ways to speed it up. Method 1. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Start by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Startup Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that launch when your computer starts. Too many startup apps can slow things down. Go through the list and keep essential ones like security, audio, or graphics enabled, but for others, right-click and select Disable. After making these changes, restart your computer and you should notice a faster startup. Method 2. Enable Fast Startup. Another useful setting is Fast Startup, which helps your PC boot more quickly. To turn it on, click the search icon and type Control Panel, then open it. Go to Power Options, and from the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. Next, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, you'll see an option called Turn on Fast Startup. Make sure it's checked. Then click Save Change,